Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel IELTS Winner. Hope you all are doing fine. So here I am going to show you around 50 questions that can be essential topics for August month. That is, if you are writing your exam on 7th, 12th, 21st or 28th August, then go to these questions and collect ideas on these particular topic, which are from the most common topics like your education, globalization, social, technology, and the effect of advertisements, socialization, and all kind of questions that were in trend in the month of July. So you will not get exactly the same question, but you can get on these particular topics in different way. So instead of what extent you agree, disagree, you can get discuss both views, or there will be a little bit twist in the question, not exactly the same, but the topics will relate to you when you are writing your IELTS exam in the August month. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel IELTS Winners and also to our practice channels IELTS Practice. And also, please buy our book for essay collection, which has these question answers, that is available on amazon.in. Okay, so you can go on amazon.com or amazon.in and just type IELTS Winners and you will get the book that we have written for you. If you buy that book, you'll not only get the sample answers for few of these questions, but you'll also get the topic-wise vocabulary, topic-wise ideas. So every idea that is very common in IELTS has been listed in that book. The book name is Complete Guide to IELTS Band 8 Essays, written by IELTS Winners. So you can go on amazon.in and amazon.com and just write IELTS Winners and you get the book, and also the link for that book is given in our description box, so you can click and buy if you are from India. So let's go through these questions. You will also get this PDF on our IELTSwinners.net website or our Telegram channel IELTS Winners. Okay, so just go through the questions and try to form your ideas, grab your vocabulary, so that even if you get something related to this topic, you will be ready to write the answers. So these are to just help you gather your ideas and get your vocabularies in line. Hope this will help you a lot. Do subscribe to our channel, click on that bell icon, and please subscribe both our channels and also buy our book. All the best if you're writing your exam on August month.